Jai Hind, AI narrative war on India, a wake up call. Jai Hind and welcome to Team MND The Futurists. AI is no longer just about automation or convenience. It's a tool of information warfare shaping what people believe, how they perceive nations, and even rewriting history. And India is already facing the heat. DeepSeek's blunder or a deliberative narrative war. Recently, this Chinese AI model, DeepSeek, falsely claimed that Arunachal Pradesh is not a part of India. Now, this is not an isolated error. It is geopolitical move disguised as AI inaccuracy. When AI systems trained by foreign entities manipulate maps, demographic data, and historical facts, they are not just making mistakes. They are rewriting the global perceptions. Now, what is the bigger threat? AI is the war on truth. Imagine a future where textbooks are replaced by AI generated content. Now, if AI is already distorting information, what happens when it becomes the primary source of education? AI tools may erase India's true history. Colonial narrative could, return, shaping young minds globally. AI generated content could be used even to influence policy decisions against India. I have even observed many young Indian researchers conducting their studies, researches overseas under foreign academicians, often shaping their perspectives on India's culture and history through a Western lens. Now, for those who wonder why does this matter to us, take a moment to reflect on what happens when you are not rooted in your own land. I believe this at that. AI as an information warfare. Now, a strategic weapon, the coming decade will witness an AI driven geopolitical battle where nations that control artificial intelligence will control the global narrative. Today, biased AI models are shaping the world's understanding of India, misrepresenting our culture, population, and even territorial integrity. Now, what India must do now? Develop indigenous artificial intelligence. India must not rely on foreign artificial intelligence that manipulates the narratives. Number two, control data and narrative. Ensure artificial intelligence models are trained with Indian perspectives and accurate facts. Regulate artificial intelligence influence in media and education. Prevent biased artificial intelligence from dictating India's future.